you need to build a strong foundation and network. And I think that's why I picked CyberWarrior. My name is Jennifer Herrera. I currently work for the MBTA in the fraud detection department as a reconciliation analyst. I'm interested in cybersecurity because as a probation officer, I noticed a lot of fraud and I wanted to be a part of the change. Me being a Latina woman, I knew also that we didn't have a lot of cybersecurity analysts, Latina, and I wanted to also make a change, make an impact in my community, sort of a role model to the younger generations or Latinos around the world that can see me as being someone they can look up to or someone that they can be in the future. So when I told my family that I wanted to pursue and do a career change into cybersecurity, they didn't even know what that is. They don't understand it. I had to explain it to them. And even then, they didn't know what that, quite understand exactly what that is. And let me explain myself more. I come from a first generation of going to college. None of my family went to college or even thought about it. That was not an option for them. Me being a Latina woman, first generation coming to this country, there is more options for me that they ever had. So they don't quite understand. They just think, doctors, lawyers, engineers, those were just all the job roles that they had. They just didn't know that cyber existed. I picked CyberWarrior Academy because convenience, in the sense of it was all online. They offered all the certifications that can give me an entry-level job and can get me a role working as a cybersecurity analyst. Also, the classes, they had so many classes in the morning, in the afternoon. It was full-time. It was work on my own pace. And they had so much support system. The staff is great. And also they have Career Ambassador Wednesdays, which is where you can actually meet someone in the field, normally a CISO that can, tell you all the ropes and kind of network. And I think that's very important getting into any IT role, especially cyber. If I was able to speak to myself 10 years ago, I would tell myself, look at opportunities in the IT field, specifically cybersecurity. It's a growing field. It's a field that has so much opportunity, so much growth, and it will really take you really far. For anyone considering joining CyberWarrior and making a change or getting into the cybersecurity field, I would say take this experience seriously. Learn as much as you can, make as many connections as you can, make a LinkedIn, and really learn about the field, learn where would you like to go, what interests you, because cybersecurity is so broad. So just take your time, but most importantly, have fun.